Study Sprout, where the online support here.
Hi all great 10 children, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you previous year question paper from, it's a last year question paper in 2024. So that's all math questions and standard questions. So I just pull out some 1 mark questions, okay? So I'll just teach you 5 questions today, then I will upload in next my video and all. So we'll go for the first question, okay? So just watch it and then you can practice a similar questions that you can expect from your coming exam. Okay, let's go. So let's see the first question. So the first question is, if the sum of zeros of the polynomial p of x equal 2x square minus k root 2 x plus 1 is root 2. The value of k is what? So the question I'm going to read again. If the sum of zeros of the polynomial p of x is equal to 2x square minus k root 2x plus 1 is root 2 and the value of k. See, we already know that sum of the zeros is equal to sum of the zeros equal minus b by a. And what's the polynomial? P of x is equal to 2x square minus k root 2 x plus 1. So let's see what is a. A equal to b equal minus k root 2 and c equal 1. So we'll use for, what is the question? They're saying sum of the zeros of the polynomial, that is the polynomial is 2x square minus k root 2x plus 1 is root 2. So sum of the zeros is minus b by a. So how are you going to write it? Minus b by a equal root 2. So what is b? B is minus k root 2. You can substitute here minus bracket minus k root 2, okay, by your a is 2 equal root 2. So minus into minus is going to plus. So then you will get k root 2 by 2 equal root 2. See, you can cross multiply this. So then you will get k root 2 equal 2 times root 2. And then therefore your k equal 2 root 2 by root 2. See, please listen, not root 2 by 2 root 2. So always you have to take by in right hand side. If you take a value from left hand side, you have to take a right hand side in the numerator. Okay, so 2 root 2 by root 2. Your root 2 and root 2 is going to cancel. So you will get a k equal 2. So this is the answer for the value of k. Okay, this is the first question. So we'll go for the next question. So next question is, if the probability, so this is the probability chapter, okay? If the probability of a player winning a game is 0.79, then the probability of his losing the game is what? So this is the question. I'll read again. If the probability of a player winning a game is 0.79, then the probability of his losing game is what? So we know the equation in probability. We have the P of E plus P of not E equal 1. They already given the P of E. That it's a positive, right? It's a player winning a game. So P of E equal 0.79. You have to substitute the value there. So P of E is a 0.79 plus P of E equal 1. So you need to find what? P of E not E equal 1 minus 0.79. How to subtract this? Is 1 is a whole number, right? So 1.00 and your 0.79 is a decimal number. So 0.79. Be very careful with the whole number by decimal number. So here you have 0. There is no number. You have to go here to this is a regrouping. You have to take a number from here is going to be 10 and then it's going to be 10 and this is going to be 9. So this is already in 0. You know already in a subtraction. Okay, 10 minus 9 is 1 and 9 minus 7 is 2. And this is already in 0. So what is your answer? Your answer is that his losing game is 0.21. So I hope you understand this question. So a similar question they can ask again. Okay. So the next question, third question. So the question is, if the roots of equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. This is from quadratic equation, okay? And then a not equal to 0 are real and equal. Then which of the following relation is true? See, they are given the option, the different option they given, but I'm not going to the option, showing the option, but we can find the answer. We already know that it's a discriminant formula, right? D equal, what's the formula is? B square minus 4AC. That's a discriminant formula. So this is actually B square minus 4AC equal, you can write B square equal 4AC, right? This minus B 4AC is going to be in either side, so we can switch, we can write like this, right? So what is AC? That it's in your option, you can see, therefore AC equal B square by 4. So this is the answer. There is other option is there, but you can see this answer. So this is the way you have to find out. So found out from B square minus 4AC. Okay, this kind of tricky question, be very careful, they can ask again. So next question is fourth question. Let's see the fourth question. In an AP, this is arithmetic progression question, okay? If the first term A equals 7 and nth term AN equal 84 and the sum of first n terms Sn equal 2093 divided by 2. 2093 divided by 2, sorry. So then n is equal to what? See the question. In an AP, if the first term A equals 7, nth term n equal 84, sum of the first n terms. So they given the Sn equal 2093 by 2. So what they given? First term, nth term. And then first term is A. And nth term, that means An is already, An is what? N equal L, right? Like last term. So what's the equation? You already learned that Sn equal, we have two equation for the sum, but this is Sn equal n by 2 into A plus L. Based on this question, this is the formula you have to use. What is Sn? That is 2093 divided by 2 equal. What is your n? Given the n? No, you have to find n. So n by 2. What is A? That is 7 plus your last term is 84. Okay. Then how do you find this one? So let's see. You have to go for 2093 divided by 2 equal. Your n by 2 is multiplying inside first. So n by 2 into 7. Sorry, n by 2. Did I say n by 3? That's wrong. N by 2 plus, and then another term is this. You have to multiply. That is n by 2 times 84. Okay. So I open the bracket. So again next 2093 divided by 2 equal 7n by 2 plus 84n by 2. You already learned that it's the same denominator, so it's easy, right, to add in numerator. So 7n plus 84n by 2. And also, to comparing both sides. So if it's same number or similar number, you can cut. Right? So then finally you got it. 2093 equal 84 plus 7n. Both are like terms. So you will get a 91n. So how do you find n? N equal 2093 divided by 91. If you divide, you will get n equal 23. You know how to divide, that's easy. So 2093 divided by 91, you can divide it, so you will get a 23. So this is the process that you will get the number. It's very easy. I'm just slowly going for each step. That's why it is taken the time, but you can practice a similar question.
Study Sprout. Study Sprout, we're the online support, here to light your way through the dark and the